How do I use a gift card at self-checkout at Walmart?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to use a gift card at a Walmart self-checkout. Whether you've received a gift card for a special occasion, or you're simply trying to streamline your shopping process, understanding how to use it at the self-checkout can be a great time saver.
What do you need?
First off, what do you need to successfully use your gift card at a self-checkout? The answer is simple. 1. A Walmart gift card. Ensure you have the gift card with you before you start shopping. If it's a physical card, it should have a barcode. For an e-gift card, ensure you have the card number and PIN. 2. Items to purchase. Have your items ready for checkout. 3. A self-checkout machine. Find a Walmart store that offers self-checkout machines.
How do you use the self-checkout machine?
Next, let's go through the process of using the self-checkout machine. Here's how. 1. Scan your items. Begin by scanning each of your items. Make sure you hear a beep and see the item come up on the screen for each product you scan. 2. Select, Finish and Pay. Once you've scanned all of your items, touch the button on the screen that says, Finish and Pay. 3. Select, Gift Card. On the payment options screen, you'll see a variety of options. Select the Gift Card option.
How to pay using the gift card?
Now we come to the final part, paying with the gift card. 1. Scan or enter your gift card information. If you have a physical gift card, just scan it at the scanner where you've been scanning your items. For an e-gift card, you'll need to manually enter the card number and PIN. 2. Confirm payment. Once the gift card has been successfully scanned or entered, the machine will deduct the amount of your purchase from the balance on the gift card. Confirm the payment and wait for the receipt. 3. Insufficient balance. If the balance on the gift card is less than your purchase total, the machine will prompt you to provide an additional form of payment to cover the remaining balance. And there you have it. That's how you use a gift card at a Walmart self-checkout. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. With this knowledge, you can now shop and check out with ease using your Walmart gift card. Happy shopping!